The process of traditional confinement of the Ogbeni Oja designate Dr. Sonny Folorunsho Kuku, the Olorogun of Kuku dynasty, began from his residence in Igbeba area of Ijebu Ode and terminates at Olorunshogo. To create more awareness, the Ogbeni Oja designate seated in a chariot and horse and rode through some major roads in Ijebu Ode with gunshots and terminates at Kuku dynasty ancestral home Olorunshogo in preparation to his installation scheduled for Saturday, February 3rd, 2024. The 4 days traditional confinement of the Ogbeni Oja designate, according to the chairman of the installation committee, Chief Fasi Yusuf, is a crucial aspect of Ijebu culture and tradition.
As Ogbeni Oja, he has some roles to perform within the Ijebu nation. It's while in Ilete that he'll be taught some of his responsibilities, because that's another school. It's a traditional school, it's a cultural school. So he has to learn the nitty-gritty of his portfolio.
The Olori Ogun Kuku ancestral home Olorunshogo Castle at Itantebo, Ijebu Ode, where the new Ogbeni Oja designate goes into the traditional confinement, Ilete is wearing a new look with decoration of different banners. Traders and other Ijebu Ode residents are not left out in the traditional rites as they pay homage to the incoming Ogbeni Oja of Ijebu Ode. The chairman of the Ogbeni Oja installation committee, who is also the Bagbimo of Ijebu land, Chief Fasi Yusuf, spoke on the importance of the traditional confinement as well as the visits of Ijebu high chiefs.
You cannot be in total seclusion. After all, it's not going to be Ogbeni Oja of witches and wizards. Neither is it going to be Ogbeni Oja of some evil forces. But it's going to be Ogbeni Oja of Ijebu Ode, and the people going there are Ijebu Ode people, and some of his other friends from far and wide. So they need to see him, they need to talk to him, they need to associate with him, they need to rejoice with him. And at the same time, the ODs of Awujale, we need to put him through the rigors, through the rudiments of the office.
The 4 days crucial traditional confinement, which commences on Tuesday, January 30, will end on Thursday, 1st February 2024 for the proper installation in Ijebu Ode. Anthony Gandonu, NTA News.